Maha Cartoon TV.
I'll turn all the kids into animals and then I'll capture them all. The world will come to an end without you kids not being around.
Hey Pinky, look, the bunny is so pretty.
You are right, bro. Let's go and catch him.
Catch him! Look, he's going there.
Chinu brother, we've come to the dark jungle. What would we do now?
Don't you worry, Pinky. I'm here with you. Don't get scared. We will find a way out from here.
What's wrong, kid? Are you lost here?
Yes. Do you know the way out from here?
Yes, I do. Brother, I take you there. Come, sit on my magical broom. We'll fly to the village.
Magical? But how come you have a magical broom?
That's because I am an angel. That's why.
Really? But angels have wings and they all are shimmery.
You are absolutely right. But like, not all humans are alike. The same way, not all angels are same.
Oh, I get it now.
Yes, kids. Now let's move quickly from here. Kids, this is my home. Please come inside and feel comfortable.
What is all this?
They were all kids just like you guys. And now, even you will be transformed into animals.
Oh no! Please, let us go! Please!
Now even you have been added to my animal list. So it's your turn now. Who dared to throw a stone in my house? I won't spare you.
Yeah, I have been throwing stones in your home. Now, catch me if you can. Come on.
Who are you? And how dare you challenge me? You know I can destroy you in seconds, don't you? You better don't mess with me.
First you catch me, then talk about destroying, huh? Come on, you wild witch. Come on.
Kill her! Kill the witch!
Oh, demon! Where did so many people come from? Can't even catch so many people at once. I just transform all of them into stones.
Oh no! Look at you, witch! You look so helpless!
Let me go from here, or else I'm gonna kill each one of you.
Why do you think we will follow any of your orders, huh? You can't do anything to us.
Chinu brother, what would we do now? Oh my god, brother, you are back in your real form.
Yes, I guess I could come back to my real form because of this solution. That means they can all take their forms back with this.
Yes, brother.
Let me throw this solution on all of them.
Okay, brother. Friend, thank you so much. I will go back to my home after so many years today.
Yes, thank you so much, friend.
Now let us all leave from here before that witch returns.
What do you guys think? That if you'll keep me tied with this rope like this here, I won't be able to do anything to you, huh? I am immortal. Wait till I get free. I will ruin you all. You stupid villagers.
Friends, come with me immediately.
What happened?
Look at this.
What's there to look?
This is the same solution the witch used to turn you into a stone. And now we will use this solution to turn the witch into a stone. After which she won't be able to turn anyone into an animal or a stone.
What an idea you have! And anyway, that witch is immortal. This way, she won't be able to trouble anyone else and we can get rid of her.
Yes, now come on friends, help us. Lend us a hand in taking this vessel out.
This is your misconception. Just look above your head once.
Huh? How did this happen? You have ruined years of my hard work. I won't spare any one of you.
Uncle, please get this witch here quickly.
And like this, all the children unanimously turned that witch into a stone with the solution she made.
Chinu, Pinky, are you alright, my children? I've been worried for you.
Yes, Mom.
You guys have shown utter intelligence today. And because of you, we have got rid of the witch. But you should always remember that you shouldn't go anywhere without informing your parents. And especially with an unknown person or an unknown space. Or else it could get dangerous just like this.
We won't go anywhere without informing you from now on.
If you enjoyed this video, do like, share and comment. And to be the first person to watch our videos, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for timely notifications.